Hello mga math aaral! Welcome to my Taglish step-by-step math video tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss finding equation of a line given slope and y-intercept. So to find the equation of the line given slope and y-intercept, use the slope-intercept form. Ito yung y equals mx plus b, where m now is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's have example. Find the equation of the line where slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 5. So using the equation y equals mx plus b, let us just substitute the slope and the y-intercept. So yung ating slope dito or m is positive 2. And yung y-intercept natin or b is positive 5. So substitute lang natin tong dalawa sa y equals mx plus b. So yung m natin ay papalitan natin ng 2. So, we have now 2x plus, yung b natin dito ay papalitan natin ng positive 5. Then, just copy y equals. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 5. Let's have illustrative example number 2. Find the equation of the line where slope is 5 and the y-intercept is negative 10. So using our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, just substitute the slope and the y-intercept. So yung slope natin or m is 5. And yung y-intercept natin or b is negative 10. So, itong dalawa ay substitute lamang natin sa slope-intercept form na y equals mx plus b. So, palitan natin yung m ng positive 5. So, we have now 5x plus yung ating b is negative 10. So, simplifying this, itong plus can be a positive sign. So, positive times negative is negative 10. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals 5x minus 10. For example number 3, find the equation of the line where slope is negative 3/4 and the y-intercept is negative 7. So, using the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, let us just substitute the slope and the y-intercept. So, sa given natin, ang slope ay negative 3. So, our m is negative 3. Then, our y-intercept or b is negative 7. So, itong dalawa ay substitute lamang natin sa y equals mx plus b. So, yung m natin ay negative 3/4. Then just copy x plus, our b is negative 7. Then just copy y equals. Simplifying this, plus sign can be a positive sign. So, positive times negative 7 is negative 7. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals negative 3/4 x minus 7. So, let's have illustrative example number 4. Find the equation of the line where slope is 4 and the y-intercept is 2/3. So, using the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, just substitute the slope and the y-intercept. So, yung given natin ay slope is 4, so m equals 4, and yung y-intercept natin or b is 2/3. So using now y equals mx plus b, isubstitute lamang natin tong dalawa. So yung m natin ay papalitan natin ng 4. So we have now 4x plus yung b natin ay 2/3. Then just copy y equals. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals 4x plus 2/3. And for the last example, we have find the equation of the line where slope is negative 3/4 and the y-intercept is 2/5. So using our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, let us just substitute the slope and the y-intercept. So yung slope natin or m is negative 3/4. At yung y-intercept natin or b is 2/5. So using these two, isubstitute natin siya sa ating y equals mx plus b. So yung m natin ay papalitan natin ng negative 3/4. So we have now negative 3/4 x plus, palitan natin yung b ng 2/5. Then just copy y equals. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2/5. Thank you for watching mga math aaral. Until next time, God bless!